Hey everyone, welcome to our virtual tour of Mauritius, Africa's hidden gem. If you're dreaming of paradise, then you're in the right place. Mauritius is a destination that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Mauritius is renowned for its stunning beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and vibrant culture. The island is a haven for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Let's dive into this island escape. From the moment you set foot on this tropical paradise, you'll be captivated by its beauty and charm. First stop, the iconic Mauritius Beach. Imagine yourself walking along the soft, white sand with the gentle waves kissing your feet. The serene atmosphere here is perfect for relaxation and unwinding. The beach stretches on for miles, making it perfect for a peaceful stroll or a fun day in the sun. Whether you're looking to sunbathe, swim, or simply enjoy the view, Mauritius Beach has it all. Next, let's explore the vibrant capital, Port Louis. This bustling city is the heart of Mauritius and offers a unique blend of old and new. This bustling city is a melting pot of cultures. You'll find a rich tapestry of traditions, languages, and cuisines that reflect the island's diverse heritage. You'll find colorful markets filled with local crafts, aromatic spices, and delicious street food. The Central Market is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the local flavor. Don't forget to try some dal puri or gâteau piment, local delicacies that you'll love. These tasty treats are a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. Now, let's journey to the lush Black River Gorges National Park. This expansive park is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. This is where nature lovers will find their bliss. The park is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a perfect spot for hiking and wildlife spotting. Imagine hiking through dense forests, past cascading waterfalls, and encountering rare bird species. The park's trails offer breathtaking views and a chance to connect with nature. It's a haven for anyone seeking adventure and tranquility. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a peaceful retreat, Black River Gorges has something for everyone. For those of you fascinated by marine life, the Blue Bay Marine Park is a must-see. This protected area is teeming with vibrant marine biodiversity. Grab your snorkel gear and dive into a vibrant underwater world. The clear waters provide excellent visibility, making it a snorkeler's paradise. Swim with colorful fish, explore coral reefs, and maybe even spot a turtle or two. The marine park is a living aquarium, offering an unforgettable experience. It's like stepping into an aquarium, but it's all natural. The vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life make it a top destination for underwater exploration. Mauritius isn't just about nature, it's also rich in history and culture. The island's past is a fascinating tapestry of influences from around the world. Visit the Apravasi Ghat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to learn about the island's indentured labor history. This site is a poignant reminder of the island's complex past. The site offers a poignant glimpse into the past and the resilience of the Mauritian people. It's a place of reflection and learning, offering insights into the island's journey. As we wrap up our tour, let's not forget the Chamarel 7 colored earths. This unique geological formation is one of Mauritius's most famous natural attractions. This natural wonder features sand dunes in vibrant hues of red, brown, violet, blue, green, and yellow. The colors are a result of volcanic activity and mineral deposits. It's a geological marvel and a perfect spot for some Insta-worthy photos. The striking colors and unique landscape make it a must visit for any traveler. If you've enjoyed this virtual escape to Mauritius, make sure to hit that like button. Your support helps us bring more amazing destinations to you. Drop a comment below on which spot you'd love to visit the most. We love hearing your thoughts and suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more virtual tours around the world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Your virtual passport to the world's most beautiful places is just a click away. Until next time, keep exploring. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.